folks, it's me again. It is the weekly What's New. I know my channel's slacking. I haven't done a few videos. Every time I make a video, I feel like I have to cough first. Get the cobwebs out of my system. What's new? I haven't been here in about a week. I've been working on a house. Let's see. I installed a hot water heater, a bunch of electrical shit, which are pretty boring. Did some wiring. Finally got one plug left. One plug and a one wall plug. Well, originally, when we first got the building, I hooked up one plug in the wall and I ran it straight to the sump pump because the basement had 4 feet of water in it. So now I had to basically run and the line was just hanging from the ceiling. So I took the line out, ran it through the floor joists so it doesn't hang, and it was on brass clips, so it would have cut in eventually. It wasn't the code. So I ran it through the the floor joists. I connected it right to the box, so now the sump pump has its own thingamajiggy, and it's got a plug. And then I took the existing plug that was in the wall and I reran it to another 3 plugs, and now I got to find a space on our panel because our panel's full. One side actually has 3 breakers available, and there's no place to run the wire through the side. You'd have to run it through and all the way around, which I'm sure is normal. So with that said, I also put plastic on the ceiling. I moved all the extra insulation into the ceiling. I've been unloading firewood, all kinds of stuff. Working, going over the border, picking up merchandise and commercially importing it. Look at some of my videos, you'll see I do 1 or 2 where I'm driving. Oh, it's me going over the border. In fact, I usually go every Wednesdays, Thursdays, sometimes Fridays. That's normal. What else? Just been busy. Ordered a few things off of eBay that I'm always surfing eBay for bike parts. And sometimes you just see 1 or 2 and you're like, pa-ching! It's real cheap. Because some people on eBay actually sell stuff to sell it and get rid of it. And some people are just like, well, I want $200 for this $30 thing. So bought a lot of stuff for my daughter. I bought her a Japanese calligraphy set, paint stone. There's a piece of my roof hanging off here I got to put back on. Flat metal flashing. I got to put a siding on this building too. I got to build a new one over there as soon as I win the lottery. That's a fiasco I won't get into. So yeah, my channel's still here. I'm still pumping out things. I haven't got a chance to weld. I've just been busy I've been basically so busy. We're trying to just get moved in basic stuff. So lately I got the hot water in so we could wash our hands, and we got the toilets in. We just need I need the tub surround installed, and then I'm gonna put the sink in. We can basically move in. It's not finished. The outside's done. There's a lot of spray foaming and finishing work to be done. The plaster wasn't very. We always get screwed plaster. Got to paint a couple of bedrooms, and work slowly. Rome wasn't built in a day, and this house definitely sat more than a day. So, with that said, I hope you like the channel. I hope you're. I got tons of videos to watch. I know some of them are older, low quality. I think I originally made the videos on an iPhone 6 or 5, or I don't know. It was an old iPhone. That's all I had. I had it because it had a 64 gig of space, which I don't know why phones don't come with a terabyte, just because whatever. Then I upgraded to the iPhone. I don't know what the hell it was. Anyway, this is an iPhone I'm recording on. I might buy one of those fancy gaming phones. There's a better photo quality. Just see how good it makes videos. With that said, don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends, and if you're still subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not subscribed, click the like button. It helps the algorithm. I just need watch hours, though. I need more watch hours to get monetized so I can buy that pizza I want. My goal is to be monetized and buy a pizza. That's it. I don't want to get millions of dollars. I don't want to become famous and go to craft shows and shit like that. Even though I would probably would go to one of those maker shows. They got some cool stuff. I watch those tool videos to go to those shows. I'm like, oh, I want all those tools. No idea what the hell I'm going to do with them, but I want them. Anyway, stay tuned. Keep watching, and I'll have a video up probably every Saturday, Monday, and a few other ones in the middle. Thanks for watching. Toodles.